Oh, we're getting some serious wind blast now. Now that I took the camera down, I can see the houses. That's not ours. Some brave soul out in the snow. We advise everyone to stay at home. Only leave if you need to.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Papa.
Oh my gosh, my face. I have no face left. I feel like Michael Jackson. Solid ice. Hey, write my name in the snow. Tell me you love me.
I don't know how to spell.
Oh, he can't spell. If he wanted to. Okay, well, I feel a little bit like Anderson Cooper in the middle of Katrina. So, we're going to sign off now. Maybe not. Oh, there's our house again. I gotta get the icicles. Can you see them? Yeah, way up there. Okay, I really don't have a face left, so we'll try this again sometime soon.